Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about enabling event styles with Triple Seat. Triple Seat uses on-premise, large party reservation, full service, pickup, and drop-off catering. These event styles streamline how you manage your offsite pickup and delivery orders and replace utilizing an offsite room or offsite custom fields. Turning on event styles will provide a more structured and effective way of managing your different event offerings. For example, once event styles are enabled, new events can be assigned an event style, you can add the drop-down to your lead form, filter your calendar by event style, and use event styles in reporting. We will go into some ways that event styles will allow you to streamline your events at the end of this video. To start utilizing this feature, first you'll need to migrate or map your existing offsite rooms and fields into the new event style fields. This process involves selecting which current room or rooms you want to assign to each event style for past and future events. First, are you the decision maker for all locations within your account? Do you know which of your locations offer offsite catering, delivery, or pickup? You should be confident that you know which existing offsite, pickup, or delivery areas, in addition to which offsite fields, should be assigned to which event style. It is important that you are confident you know all of this about all locations in your Triple Seat account, as you will be migrating for all locations at once, and there are no do-overs. Depending on how many locations you have in your account, this update should take less than 1 minute per location. You also need to make sure you have the right permissions to do so. You need to be a customer admin to map. Because this is a one-time update and edits cannot be made after it goes through, it is important to be sure you are the right person to make this update. If you would like to talk this through, please reach out to your account manager or to our support team by clicking on the Help Question button at the top right corner of any screen in Triple Seat. Once I'm ready to make this update, I will head into Settings, Locations. I have an Enable Event Style button to click. Again, I want to be sure I am ready to migrate the event styles for all of my locations in one sitting. This button will disappear once I have completed the migration. For my group, Lakeview Hospitality, I have 2 locations, Lakeview Grill and Restaurant. For my first location, Lakeview Restaurant, I will check off all of the event styles that I want to map. Lakeview Restaurant offers pickup and drop-off catering. I will check off those 2 event styles, and when I do, I will see the areas for this location populate below. I do not want to map any rooms for full service, so I will not check that event style. Next, I will select the existing Triple Seat areas that correspond with each event style. For this location, the pickup area will correspond to the pickup event style, and the delivery area will be migrated to the drop-off catering event style. That means that moving forward, when a guest wants to have an event with us that uses drop-off catering, I will be able to select the drop-off catering event style instead of assigning it to the drop-off room. Once I have double and triple checked these migrated areas, I can click Migrate Rooms. A message will pop up asking if I am sure, and to move forward, I will press OK. And now I will repeat the process with my additional locations. Lakeview Grill doesn't have any event styles to be mapped. I will be double sure that this location doesn't need any areas migrated because I cannot edit this once the update is submitted. If this location ever starts offering event styles, I will be able to use them by going to Settings, Locations, Edit Details, but I can't go back afterward and migrate any Triple Seat areas to this event style. Best practice, if you are not sure what needs to be mapped, you can check off any event style just to check the rooms first. Since I double checked that they do not currently offer full service catering, pickup, or delivery, and we do not need to assign any rooms to these event styles, I will choose no migration needed for this location. Next, I will migrate the custom fields. This needs to be done in the same sitting as the room migration. If my locations had been offering offsite catering or delivery, I likely have fields like offsite location or delivery instructions. Each of my custom fields will show here, and I can select from the dropdown which event style fields they should be migrated to. The migration will transfer the information in my custom fields to the new event style fields. The fields that can be migrated are an offsite address, as well as delivery instructions. For each custom field that I migrate, I need to be sure to press Migrate Custom Field afterward. Here, I will migrate our existing custom field, Offsite Full Address, to the new event style, Full Address field. When I press Migrate Custom Field, I am prompted to confirm my selection. Pressing OK will turn that custom field green and move me forward. I'll now do the same for my other address fields, as well as mapping the existing delivery notes to delivery instructions, pressing Migrate Custom Field after each. That means that moving forward, when a guest wants to book a drop-off catering event and I select that event style, this field will automatically populate, pull to my documents, and be reportable under Event Fields. For all past events, this information will now be moved to these fields and be reportable. Once I have reviewed that everything here is correct, I can click Complete Migration. Now that the migration is complete, any existing events that were in an offsite area or using offsite fields will be moved over to event styles. I can now assign new events into event styles, add the drop-down to my lead form, filter by event style, and use it in reporting. When I create a new lead or event and choose Lakeview Restaurant, on-premise, pickup, and drop-off catering appear, along with their event style fields. Depending on what event style is selected, corresponding fields will appear for me to enter in more information, making it easier to capture relevant details. All of this information will then pull to my documents. To manage what event styles I want to use moving forward, I will navigate to Settings, Locations, Edit Details, and scroll down. I can decide to use any event style for my events per location moving forward by checking here, even if I did not map that event style. Make sure to watch our event style video to learn about best practices for using event styles. If you have any questions about this process, please reach out to our support team, support@tripleseat.com, or by clicking on the Help Question button at the top right corner of any screen in TripleSeat.